A blackout is more than just a sudden loss of power. It's a moment that can shift the atmosphere of an entire space. Imagine this. 1 minute, you're comfortably scrolling through your phone, and the next, everything goes dark. The lights flicker out, the hum of appliances fades, and you're left in a world that feels eerily quiet. So, what exactly causes a blackout? There are several reasons, but the most common culprit is a power outage due to severe weather. Heavy storms can bring down power lines, causing widespread outages. Other times, it's a simple case of equipment failure or maintenance work. Even animals like squirrels can wreak havoc on electrical systems. It's fascinating how something as small as a critter can plunge an entire neighborhood into darkness. Now let's talk about the different types of blackouts. A total blackout is when the power goes out completely, affecting an entire area. Then there are partial blackouts, where only certain sections lose power. And don't forget about brownouts, which are a drop in voltage that can dim lights but keep some power flowing. Each type has its own implications and can affect everything from your fridge to your internet connection. When a blackout occurs, it's not just an inconvenience. It can lead to some serious challenges. Food in your refrigerator can spoil, and without power, you lose access to heating or cooling systems. Hospitals and emergency services rely heavily on electricity, so blackouts can pose real risks in critical situations. That's why many places have backup generators to keep essential services running. But let's not overlook the unexpected moments of connection that a blackout can bring. Without screens lighting up our faces, families often gather together, sharing stories or playing games by candlelight. It's a reminder of simpler times when people relied on each other for entertainment and companionship. And then there's the thrill of the unknown. In a blackout, you might find yourself exploring your home in a new way, using your phone's flashlight to navigate through the dark. It can feel like an adventure, a chance to rediscover your surroundings. Of course, safety is paramount. It's important to have a plan in place. Stock up on flashlights, batteries, and non-perishable food items. Know how to safely use candles and avoid potential fire hazards. And if you're in an area prone to blackouts,